Eco Club.
With your hands, Eco.
Eco Club.
Eco.
Eco Club.
Who are we?
Eco Club.
Who are we?
Eco Club.
What are we after?
Saving our environment for a better tomorrow.
Doing what?
Saving our environment for a better tomorrow.
Doing what?
Saving our environment for a better tomorrow.
We are a group of young students. We are from 3 students. We want by the time we exit this school to leave it better than we found it. We want to touch lives. We want to make our environment beautiful. We want to tap our energy positively. And we want to come to the crowd and tell you that our environment needs care, that our environment is God created, and we need to preserve it, to conserve it for a better tomorrow. Our generations coming up need to find a clean and well-sustained environment, and that is why we are here. We are very, very passionate. We want also God to bless us as we put our hands to task on preserving what He has created, that this work comes also with our blessings, that it will also portray in our performance as a school, as a group of young people, that through this we are going far, we are going to leave a mark, a legacy as Form 3 students. Who are we?
Eco Club.
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 After what?
Saving our environment